Now we see this wing controller, and so we press here, press set, then enter the password 0000060, then press enter. We will see here shows 1. We press enter, then we will see here. This is the target. This is the target. F1.1 target shows 50 kg. Means if we want 50 kg per bag, we just enter 50. If you need 25, just enter 25. See, 25 kg. Then press enter. For F1.2, you need to set it as 35 kg. You see here, 35 kg. Then press enter. Here, F1.3, you need to set it as 4.5 kg. 4.5. Press 4.5 kg. Then press enter. For F1.4, you need to set it as 0.0. Yeah, this is exactly. Yeah, this is. Then press enter. Just ESC, ESC, now it's okay. Let's say if you want to pack a package of 100 kg, so you just press set and enter the password. Here's one, press enter. Just change this one to 100. Says 100 kg. Then press enter. Press ESC. Press ESC. Now it's okay. You just need to change it in this way.